Tributes are flooding in for the victims of Wednesday's on-air shooting in Virginia. WBDJ TV reporter Alison Parker and cameraman Adam Ward were both killed. Parker's boyfriend Chris Hurst works at the same station and posted a string of sweet tweets honoring her, calling Parker, quote, "the most radiant woman I ever met." He also shared a touching album of pictures of the two of them on Facebook. Her family then released this statement to ET. "Today we receive news that no family should ever hear. Our vivacious, ambitious, smart, engaging, hilarious, beautiful, and immensely talented Alison taken from the world. This is senseless, and our family is crushed." Ward's fiancée Melissa Ott was producing the newscast the shooting happened on Wednesday morning. The couple's close friend Selena Lewis, a reporter at WXFR, shared this message about Adam on Facebook. "He was sweet, he was goofy. Most importantly, he loved his fiancée Melissa more than anything on the planet." Strangers are also paying their respects. Members of the TV news community have started changing their online icons to TV color bars in memoriam.